Keeping up with AI advancements is a daunting task. One day, you'd find out that being polite with AI gives you better answers, and you go spend time testing it. The next day, you'd see some sort of a magical symbol that supposedly makes ChatGPT open a Pandora box of intelligence. In reality, that's a huge waste of time. Instead of focusing on random posts, tips, tricks, and hacks, dedicate your attention to mastering the long-term principles of prompt engineering. In the following lessons, we'll dynamically go through the principles that won't change regardless of the latest half-an-hour-ago release. This will especially be useful to someone working on marketing tasks. But all of these approaches can be applied to other professional fields. Many of these approaches have a much more complex nature and come from machine learning. But what we, casual business workers and marketers need, we just need an approach that works with AI on a daily basis without writing any code. So let's think of this as learning to communicate with generative AI tools like ChatGPT. By the way, one exciting side effect that I noticed on myself and many other people is that prompt engineering is a transferable skill. If you create or communicate tasks to other people, you'd find yourself being more structured and effective in your communication. But pay attention, this is not a technical course for developers. It's rather for business-related professionals like marketers, managers, content creators, and others who need to learn writing prompts to solve daily tasks effectively. If that's you, you're in the right place. The generative AI field is often called a once-in-a-lifetime breakthrough, so there's really no reason not to learn to use it. And this field is so dynamically evolving that I have to update this course regularly with fresh content to make it relevant and interesting for you. And I address every single review that you guys leave, trying to double down on the strength and fix any issues that you bring to my attention. So thank you for enrolling in my course, and let's get started.